Hello everyone. And today we have a review on OnePlus Nord N200. 5G enabled 5G service only available on T-Mobile and Google Fi, powered by the latest Qualcomm 5G chipset. The OnePlus Nord N200 5G allows you to download or stream your favorite TV shows, connect with your social media, and play online multiplayer at blazing fast speeds. Full LCD display, 90Hz smooth display. Immerse yourself in all your favorite movies, TV shows, and video games with N5Gs, crystal clear full D display. 90Hz smooth display. The 90Hz refresh rate refreshes 50% faster than standard 60Hz displays, ensuring smooth navigation and scrolling across the home screen and your applications. Large card Ma battery. The OnePlus Nord N200 5G is powered by a massive card Ma battery, providing all the power required to get you through the day. Watch hours of TV, play graphically intense games, or browse the internet non-stop without fear of your device dying. Should the unthinkable happen and your battery die, no sweat. 18W fast charging. The N5G's 18W fast charging gets you refilled and back on your feet quickly. 4GB RAM plus 64GB built-in storage expandable up to 256GB. The OnePlus Nord N200 5G packs all the performance, power and storage you'll need to run and store your favorite content. 4GB of RAM ensures your applications and content run smoothly, making for a seamless, customizable, and enjoyable mobile experience. The 64GB of built-in storage ensures you can have all your favorite films, TV shows, games, and photos with you on the go. Need more storage? Expanded by up to 256GB with a microSD card. 13MP triple camera system. It is easy to capture every moment with clarity thanks to the 13MP main camera. Take up close and personal shots with the macro lens and add some definition to your black and white photos with the mono lens. If your device is not receiving text messages or experiencing error when making phone calls, you need to contact carrier's technical support to add seedless feature. I recommend. Price $239 for today. Everything. I hope you liked the review. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.